Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to connect the Cypherock X1 to Stargazer wallet, import the wallets and receive. In the Stargazer wallet extension, select settings. Click on wallets. On the top right, select the plus icon. Select connect hardware wallet. Select Cypherock. On the X1 wallet, approve the connection to generate the DAG address. Select the wallet you want to import. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 wallet. On the X1 wallet, approve the connection to generate the EVM address. Enter the PIN for this wallet and tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 wallet. Copy both the addresses. Your wallet has been successfully imported. Now to receive crypto in the Stargazer wallet, click on any asset and select receive. Now use this address to receive crypto in the Stargazer wallet.